actually, I want to build credibility. Na I can do other dishes as well. It's just lumpia was just really my thing to like grow, and I had a lot of fun with it. But in terms of staying relevant, so hindi naman pwedeng lumpia palagi kasi nakakataba siya. Kasi you have to stay relevant and keep creating unique content. It's very competitive out there in terms of trying to stand out. So maybe as a creator, what I do right now is I try to understand my community as much as I can and brainstorm ideas and create content for them na alam kong magbibigay ng value to them. Next would be, right now I'm really enjoying collaborations.
Honestly, I have yet to really explore Manila. Every time I come, I feel like it's been in for a show or an appearance, and then I'm out. So this is probably the longest that I've spent in Manila, and again, it is pretty packed, but now that I hope to be here a lot more often so I can explore a lot more of Manila and the Philippines in general.
Lumpia Turon.
Pero alam si Lumpia, si Lumpia Queen, yung mga content niya lang sa mga TikTok, sa social media, yung talagang nakikinig siya, patok siya.
Talagang dun siya, sinubaybayan.
Sa TikTok kasi pag medyo maganda ang pagka gawa ng...
followers ka na.
Inaano ka talaga?
Pero alam mo ang Nima, di ba karamihan ng mga minamanage nila? Mga...
Ano, Mema?
Nima.
Akala ko Mema.
NYMA.
Charot lang. Alam ko.
Na ang manager ay asawa ni Christian Bautista, si Kat Bautista. Yan, na ano talaga, mga social media influencer talaga ang minamanage nila karamihan.
Galing.
Diba?
Parang pwede ka na kasi silver button.
Oo, tsaka naging controversial ako for a while. nagulat si Pilar kagabi na nag-search ako ng mga pangalan ko sa YouTube. Ang dami palang kinasangkutan ko.
Sige, buhayin mo na ang dugo namin.